Smells good, but I want to know where your sous chef is.
Ainsley, hey, help. Come on.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. You helping Dad?
Oh, look at those.
They smell delicious.
Delicious.
Your eyes water, doesn't it?
Wow. Amazing.
Did he do a good job?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, now. Preheat this one guy. Get that oil going.
Don't touch it. It's hot.
Okay?
Okay.
Hey, get your butt back here.
Can't have movies playing and watching and cooking in the kitchen.
Get over here.
Those are my favorite.
You like it?
No, I don't like it.
It's
You
an
gotta eat
onion.
it. You gotta finish it now.
It's an onion. I love them. I think they're very good. Where's your
I
juice?
like
What
chocolate
about this?
milk.
What about that? Try that.
That's different.
It's a bell pepper. Bell peppers. Hey.
What do you think of the orange one? Was it good?
Mhm.
Did you like the orange one?
Mhm.
Those are bell peppers.
Mhm.
Way to play it off, Dad. Sacrifices you make for your children's education. Hey, good job, Chef. Chef Ainsley.